Hello, today I'll show you how to fix carriage jam and grinding noise on HP deskjet 3525 printer. This can also work for other printers within the same series. So the first thing we want to do is to open the top cover this way, and then I'm going to take out all the screws, and you can see all the visible screws there. So there are about 4 or 5, and then I'm going to take them all out. You can see these are all the screws, and then I'm going to remove the handle. This is the hinge that controls the scanner glass area. Then I'm remove the top this way. You have to be very careful because of the screen flex is still attached to the printer. You don't want to cut the flex. So after that, I'm going to get a piece of cloth. I'm going to clean the carriage area. I'll show you the area to clean. There is a film where the carriage moves on, that gives the carriage the reading, and the printer also the reading. If it's dirty, it can give you grinding sound and also wrong paper jam error. So I'm going to clean it with a piece of cloth, white cloth. Don't use tissue paper because it tends to leave debris on top of the film. Another thing to check is this flex here, the one that is attached to the printhead. When it has pulled out and it is not fixed properly, it can give you that error too, false paper jam error, and that grinding sound also. So I'm going to remove it and then fix it in properly. Make sure that it is fitted inside the slot where it's supposed to be. Clean the surface if you will. Just clean it gently, don't scratch up the surface, but you can just get a piece of cloth and gently clean the surface. Dust and debris over time and ink stain can build up on this area, and then it can give you a false paper jam or a grinding sound. So I'm going to clean all this out, and then I'm going to look out for piece of paper that is hanging anywhere on this rail. You can see these rollers here. I'm going to look out for debris, piece of paper, staple pin, and all whatnot. I'm going to get them out. You can see there is a piece of paper there. It is out now. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is just close the printer up. I have to be very careful with each of the parts and the components, as this printer is very delicate. So I'm going to fix all the screws back, and then we'll see what the test print looks like. Remember, if you haven't done already, I'd like you to like and subscribe to the channel. I have great videos on how to fix all kinds of office equipment, from printers to computers to intercom, PBX, and the rest. So just like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, you can just hit me up in the comment section. I'll do everything within my power to respond to your comment. So I'm going to close this up, and then I'll plug it into light and then do a test print, and let's see what happens. But I know with this little servicing, the carriage jam, paper jam issue will have been solved. So I'm going to do a test print now. Let's see what the printer looks like. Okay, you can see it's coming out without any issue, no false paper jam error, there is no carriage jam error, there is no grinding sound. It's just coming out neatly because I've cleaned out all the parts that will have given that error.